Quadruple U stock is up 12.21%. This is Thursday, the 26th of August, 2025. The stock is trending as excitement builds around its unique position in both the uranium and rare earth elements sectors, particularly as one of the few US based companies capable of supplying these critical minerals domestically. The stock is drawing heightened attention following a memorandum of understanding with Vulcan, which community members view as a potential catalyst for expanding its rare earth processing capabilities. Bullish sentiment is fueled by multiple factors: U.S. government initiatives aimed at securing domestic energy and mineral supply chains, rising demand for uranium as nuclear power re-enters the spotlight in the clean energy transition, and the strategic importance of rare earth elements in defense, technology, and renewable industries. Investors argue that energy fuels dual exposure to uranium and rare earths positions it as more than just a mining play. It's increasingly being seen as a potential cornerstone in the US's energy and national security strategy. At the same time, not all voices in the community are convinced. Some traders are looking in profits. Some traders are locking in profits after recent price swings, warning that the company remains speculative with execution risks tied to scaling production and securing long-term contracts. Others question whether the recent surge in share price is fully justified, or if the rally could lose steam without concrete contract announcements. Still, long-term bulls highlight that energy fuels growing partnerships, government policy tailwinds, and rare positioning outside of China's supply dominance could give the company an outsized role in both uranium renaissance and the critical minerals race. The stock is seen by many as a high-risk, high-reward bet on the future of clean energy and US strategic independence. Intraday high in this session is $13.34. So the gain is now 11.99% or thereabouts. So the extrapolation of its on this 4 hour chart is saying that the three period moving average is going to consolidate up till Wednesday, the 3rd of September, and then after that, it might attempt to resume the uptrend. So projections are saying, let's see, 10.08. It is a downward projection. Yeah, let's see what we have. Whether we have 10.74 so far, the 18th of August, 11.97 as of the 13th of August. That's the highest projection. There are other projections there as well. 12.15 we have 13.34 today, so we need to see something higher. 13.34, okay, yeah. As of the 25th of July, we had 12.34, 13.88, 14.83. Let's see. Okay, yeah, there might be. Yeah, we've seen high projections, 14.83, isn't there? 14.83, yeah. We have price pressure is saying everything's robustly bullish, apart from a negative second derivative on its 10 period moving average. Okay, so let's have a look at its daily charts. On this 4 hour chart, the line trend is also strongly bullish. Let's see what we have on the daily chart. Here on the line trend is equally strongly bullish as well. The extrapolation is saying that higher prices will ultimately remain in place at least up till the 6th of October. We have 8.56, 7.72, 7.2. Those are currently down projections. Before now, we had, as of Monday the 18th, we had beginning with the downward projections 8.56, 7.72, 7.2, upper projections 13.4 and 15.37, and then 16.59. Yeah, Let's see, price pressure momentum is robustly bullish, nothing negative here. Yeah, maybe that's why the algos are not really projecting anything, any contraction as such, nothing like that. It's projecting higher prices for the. Okay, let's see what's going on in the markets for quadruple U. Let's see how busy this market is. Yeah, people are seriously selling or bidding to sell. They haven't sold yet. Yeah, look at that. That went through and then it plunged. There seem to be. Let's see how liquid this market is. I think it looks decently liquid. Yeah, I mean, it could be worse. You could be seeing ones and twos and ones and twos. So it's quite liquid here on trip quadruple U. Let's see what. Yeah, let's see what people are also bidding to sell. Yeah, 12.51. Okay, 12.56. Yeah, people have their targets and they've placed them all up. So these can also give you an impression of how some market participants are, how they're feeling about the stock, but not a lot. Not doesn't give you a word of stuff, a word of insight. 13.3, 13.9. So people are, yeah, we have, okay, 13.41, 13.19. Okay, these guys are waiting to go in. Have they gone in? 12.24. If once that goes in, then 12.22. Okay, so the price has moved. Okay, so yeah, just see what you make of Trip Quadruple U stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.